What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, man. For those of you who are new, thank you for joining in. My name is Eric. For those of you who are coming back, thank you as well for coming back and watching, man. So today is a little bit something different. Typically I'm working on the Mustang, or typically I'm on the bike, or I'm driving, but today I have something different. And check it out. Before you see this, it was all covered up. I couldn't even get a motorcycle in here. But now I got my motorcycle and another motorcycle back there and my car. I'm really excited about it, man. I want to just share this with you guys and keep you guys updated. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Just got a little slower this time. All right, here we go. One to your hand. All right, man, like I said, guys, I just wanted to share this with you real quick. Just a garage, man. I know it's not even close to being organized. I've seen some garages on your guys' videos that are just immaculate and look beautiful, but it's in the process, man. All this stuff is gonna just be what I absolutely need, what I need at hand. That way it doesn't take me an hour just to find the tools I need for a 30-minute job. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of you guys may know my struggles, right? Oh, where did I leave this, and where's this socket, and where's this wrench, blah blah blah. But now, you know what, I'm really gonna just get on it, organize all this stuff, keep what I absolutely need. I have another little storage back here on the other side of this wall. I'm gonna put stuff that I'm not using right away, like these stands I made here, so when I need to get the car up and like kind of do some transmission work, just a bunch of stuff, man. You guys get what I'm saying. But just wanted to share this thing with you, man. I think having a garage is like having a toy, in my opinion. I just feel like I just bought a new toy. I mean, it's somewhere where I can store my stuff. It's somewhere where I can put a lock on it and know my stuff is there and it's not being touched. And it just feels good, and I wanted to share that with you, man. I'm really proud that I finally got to this. Like I said, I feel like it's gonna be a game changer. I'm gonna be able to put in some mad hours. If I need to put this thing down, I can put it up, do what I gotta do with it, lock the door, and I can get to work. So anyways, I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time, man, but I hope you guys found this beneficial. Hopefully maybe you guys get to, go and clean in your guys' garage, keep it organized, because I know you guys definitely influenced me for sure to get out there. You know what, I've been telling myself for months, I need to go out there and clean that garage, get it, and I finally did it. So man, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Drop a comment, let me know if you guys are gonna get to your garage, what tools you recommend that are must to have in there. But other than that, man, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good weekend, man, and I'll catch you guys soon, man.